In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add and animate captions in CapCut. We'll explore each step in detail so you can enhance your videos with engaging and dynamic text that captivates your audience. Let's dive right in. First, so you've got your video project all set up and ready to go in CapCut. The next thing is to add your video to the timeline. By dragging your video file from the media bin into the timeline, you're setting the stage for all your editing magic. This is your workspace, the canvas on which you'll be crafting your video masterpiece. Once your video is comfortably sitting on the timeline, we'll head over to the text section, where you'll find Auto Captions. This feature is a real time saver, automatically generating captions based on the audio in your video. Just a few clicks, and you'll have a transcription ready to tweak and style as you like. Now, onto the specifics. You'll need to select the language of your video's audio, ensuring that the captions are created accurately. By clicking Create, CapCut will work its magic, analyzing the audio and generating captions accordingly. This is a quick process, but the payoff is tremendous, providing accessibility and engagement with just a few clicks. With your captions now in place, it's time to add some flair. Styling your text can make a significant difference. Head over to the text editor where you'll find options to make the font bold and adjust the positioning to be centered. These tweaks help ensure that your captions are not only readable, but also integrated seamlessly into the visual aesthetic of your video. But we're not stopping there. To truly make your captions stand out and draw your viewers' attention, we suggest adding some animation. In this case, using the pop or bounce animations can add a dynamic component to your captions. These animations make your text come to life, helping to guide the viewer's eye and emphasize key moments in your dialogue or narration. Remember, these animations should complement the tone and style of your video, so choose the one that feels right for your project. By now, you've not only created easy-to-read captions, but have also embedded them with engaging animations that enhance the viewing experience. Regardless of your video's subject, incorporating these techniques will undoubtedly add a layer of professionalism and accessibility, making your content more enjoyable and inclusive to a broader audience. And there you have it. A straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your videos with CapCut's captioning features. Thanks for following along today, and happy editing!